Hi, welcome to another Garrick Solutions video. Today we're going to talk about how ChatGPT can leverage or help you grow your business. So how to use this amazing tool in a business standpoint to be creative and just leverage new information. So one of my favorite phrases is you don't know what you don't know. And I feel that while using ChatGPT, it's a great way to talk about potential opportunities. So with that said, to quote Charlie Munger, who's the partner for Berkshire Hathaway, what he says is he talks about inverting the problem or inverting the situation. So what that means is that, so for example, think about ways that something can fail or ways that something cannot work, whether you're trying to accomplish a new project or launch a new product, launch a new service for your business. This is a great way to kind of ask how I really like to call it, that people are assuming that like an oracle per se of like just knowledge of information. So ask like, how can this fail, or in what situations does this not work? It might not be very specific as to your particular industry where you're located in the world, but it's still a great way to find someone to challenge your assumptions. Reference to a prior video of getting out of your castle. Constructive criticism is very important because it helps you grow in your organization, not just go. It's extremely important to have a focused mind and want to grow and be developed and just like push, but it's also great to have constructive feedback. Another advantage that you have while using this amazing tool is that it tells you the information right off the front, right off the bat. You're not going through several ads and you don't have to wait. It's a very clean and direct way of communication, which I think that's what we need more in the world now, with technology being at our fingertips and just so much information overload, that it's just great to kind of, hey, what's the perspective, whether positive or negative, on this, and how should I go about it? And then you can just take that information in, think about it, and then move on. So I think these are a couple of great ways to leverage this tool. Other than that, so for example, one last thought is to develop ideas. Let's say you want to launch new services in your industry. Maybe you can ask, look, what are new technologies that my particular industry is implementing? What are new technologies that maybe a competitor is implementing? Or what's a new technology that's coming that's being found in the news a lot? So these are just a couple of ways that you can leverage this tool. Again, use it as one more weapon in your arsenal to grow, to expand, to broaden your mind, not only yourself, but your team. And maybe just have, I think one great way to use this information or use this tool is to, ask negative questions about your business, the industry that you're in, the industry that you operate, and see what comes back. And then just sit down with your senior managers, your middle managers, your leaders, and kind of find a way, is this resonating? Does this make sense? Have we been completely oblivious to this? Hopefully not, but at least it keeps you sane. It's a comparison point. And ultimately remember that the use of this information or this tool is to help us think more creatively. Just because someone or something is providing us an answer doesn't mean that we should stop thinking. So never stop thinking. Always be critical. Always be skeptical. Never take things at face value. So when you digest information, does this make sense? Is it rational? What should I think about? And when you do all these things, you'll come to know that hopefully you get to a better decision, and obviously you can leverage this amazing tool to be able to grow and expand your business. Have a wonderful day, and hope this has been helpful.